Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you another transitional tutorial you can use in your arsenal to link your tricks and dance. Start standing next to your pole. Inside hand is high, outside hand is below. Or you can just use one hand, whatever you prefer for now, right? From here, your outside leg, the leg that's away from the pole, you're just going to bring it in and out. So back and forth, maybe adding a slight body wave or turn in the hip. Think about running your fingers through waves or oceans. So my leg is the wave. Slight waves, big waves, and breathe, right? Got it? Next part, after our leg waves, we're gonna circle our leg behind us, step behind, step out, okay? Option 1. Option 2, you're going to suspend your legs in the air. So that means lift your feet off the ground. Wave, circle, push with the bottom hand, and step out. Okay. You can add a little clap in there. Just be careful not to hit your feet because things are a little bit dangerous with the heels on. But you don't have to do this with heels either. So we have our wave, our circle, and stepping out. So as you circle your leg and you're switching to your other leg, think about a pendulum hitting. So as the leg circles, once it meets the other leg, which would be the inside leg now becomes the outside leg if you end up on the other side. Well, when you end up on the other side. So one more time. Wave, circle, kick, and then step it out. Woo! So now my inside leg is now the outside leg. From here, if you kicked your booty, you can extend it, or you can keep the leg bent. You're gonna turn towards your inside shoulder, right? Turn, turn, turn. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning until you're crossed. So right now my back is leaning against the pole. So I'm going to show you from another angle. Okay? Turn, turn, turn. Back is leaning against the pole. So I'm leaning into the pole. I'm not just hanging for support. I'm leaning back as well. And then come out. So we're turning into the pole, turn. From here, you can make it a little bit more dramatic. What's gonna happen is your inside hand is gonna drop low and your inside leg is gonna step out. Kind of at the same time, if possible. So from here, drop. The only thing that's happening is you're switching your hand placement and you're moving your inside leg from behind to in front of the pole. Let's show that one more time. Kick, bring it in, drop. If you don't feel comfortable doing this at the same time, you can step out first and then body roll down into your drop. If you would like to add more flair afterwards, you can just continue body rolling down, maybe circling the hips, or maybe bringing into the V, and then nicely bring it up or down, whichever way you like. One more time, all together. transition tutorial, please let me know down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see from me. And thank you for watching.
On a tout dépensé, on n'a plus d'argent.
Oh, yeah.